Hey everyone, Stephan here. I hope you're doing well. This will be super quick, just to clarify a few confusions about the age limitations with the new laws that Australian government puts in for Australia and social media. On that list are Instagram and Facebook under the Meta head. Then we have now YouTube, we have Snapchat, TikTok and X. There's some controversy about this whole thing, and nobody really knows how those social media companies will actually check the age. But according to Australian government, people under 16 shall no longer have access to those social media platforms. Now, with YouTube, there's the big question. There's a good amount of material on YouTube which is great for children. Great for teenagers as well. So why would that all go away? It doesn't. It doesn't go away. The only thing is that under 16-year-olds can no longer or are no longer legally allowed to have an account on YouTube. The content is still there. They can still watch it. Anyone can go on YouTube, find out what they want to see and watch it. But if you don't have an account, then YouTube will also not have a profile about you. The algorithms will not recommend things based on what you've seen before or what you might like. And that is part of the problem, that we see things that we don't actually want to see sometimes. So the content is not going anywhere. Teachers can still find the perfect math explanation and send it to their students. It's still there. But people under 16 will just not be allowed to have an account with YouTube, hence no profiling. So maybe not the worst thing ever. How those platforms actually check the age, that is a completely different story. We will find out in December. So Meta will have to find out a way. As far as I know, the one thing that they are not allowed to do for privacy reasons is to ask to see a driver's license or a passport or some official document. The good news is YouTube content doesn't just disappear. It will be there, just without an account. All right, that's it from me. Have a good one, and most importantly, go out and create something awesome.